So, time for blush. First, I'm going to do some Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. Some okay. And this is the Fenty highlighter brush, which is so So I'm not sure what blush to go with here. So I have several blushes and they're all cream blushes. And I'm just, because this is a kind of a pumpkin, spice, cinnamon look that you really have to be careful with the color of your blush. I'm not going to do pink, coral. I'm looking at, okay, so this is an e.l.f. palette. And I don't know what color this is, if it's a color, but it's a cream blush palette. I'm looking at this one here. Could be. I'm gonna swatch them. I also have another e.l.f. palette. This, I'm sorry. I also have another e.l.f. blush. This is the Putty Blush. The color fell off, but this looks like a cinnamon color. I have Melt Honey Thief. Is that the three? Oh, and I got one more. Where are you going? Oh, here it is. Which is, I love this color. Also a bit of a, I don't know. It could be a brighter nude. And then I have Merit, and this is called Mood. So I'm gonna swatch them. So this is Merit Mood. That's a real pretty flush of color. I'm almost gonna say no to this one right now. It's a bit of a burgundy and I don't want to do that. So I've got the e.l.f. Putty Blush. Oh gosh, I don't remember. This is a dark cinnamony color. I don't know what the name of it is. So yeah, that's more like it. This one, it's like it's like a burnt cinnamon, which I do like that. Not sure what it's gonna look like on me, but we'll see. Have the Honey Thief. Gonna use a different finger. I'm not seeing that one. It has too much coral in it. And then next is the e.l.f. palette. This one here. That's this one. I like this one too. So it's either this one or this one. I don't know. All right, I'm going to go with the e.l.f. palette, this one here. Okay, it looks like... I might mix them up. You can do that again. So I mix them. And I got that color. I like that. I might do that. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to do that. And they're both e.l.f. How you like that? So it's an e.l.f. palette and this one. I'm gonna mix it. Uh-oh. All right, let's see. I actually thought I was going to have to put powder on my face because of the oil that I mixed in with the foundation, but it doesn't look like I need to do that. So I'm going to mix, because we're playing with makeup, right? So I'm going to mix them both. I'm going to use my mirror to dab so that we got it mixed up pretty well. All right. This is what brush is this? This is the It Cosmetics Airbrush Complexion Perfection. This is really a pretty one. Pretty brush. Now I'm always down in I do everywhere with blush, okay? I go crazy with blush. I am a blush lover. This is good. This turned out pretty. This turned out pretty, mixing those two. I like it. And it's pretty pigmented, so I didn't need a lot, which I like about a blush, so you're not constantly putting so much on. Okay, we're down to the last bit of it. It's time for the lips. I've got the perfect pumpkin-y drugstore lippy. The lip liner is not drugstore. The lip liner is from Thicklow Beauty. The color is Root. I love it, and it's perfect for fall. That's what it looks like. And this is the swatch. It's a, I don't know, it's a dark nude, or maybe a dark nude brown. Now I'm using Cinnamon Stick lip color, and it comes with a color and a top coat. This stuff does not smudge, budge. It is kiss proof. It is eat proof. It's good stuff. So I want to push in my liner because I don't want my liner to smudge off when I'm using a 24-hour lip color. So I just kind of smudge it in. Not smudge it in. So I just kind of push it in to dry it out. And again, this is Cinnamon Stick. I'll swatch it for you guys. I love this color. It's perfect for fall. See, it's next to, so it's right there. This is the perfect cinnamon color. So you want to give it a minute. So you want to give it a few minutes to dry. While I'm letting it dry, I guess I'll put my hair down. I was gonna do something with my hair, but I don't think I'm going to. I just let it air dry today. It's okay to sometimes let your hair be sloppy in it. I mean, if you're gonna go all glam, then let your hair go. Although I could probably do a little bit of curling right there. Is it dry yet? Okay, so let's go in with the Covergirl Top Coat. See? Do you see the shine? A little bit came off on here, but see? Nothing. Maybe a little bit. More. The top coat smells good and tastes good. It's just good. So I love this look. It looks so weird and funny as you're going along, you know, and you wonder if it's going to turn out okay, but it does. Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray from Charlotte Tilbury. Got to do this if you're doing the glam. And, okay, so this is how you spray. You do an X and a cross, and you're good, okay? Did it twice. Wow, did it. You guys, it's been so long since I've played with makeup in this way on camera with all of you, and I'll be doing it a lot more now. I love doing this, and I'll be trying out stuff for you. I'm learning TikTok. Ha ha ha. The only thing about TikTok is those same songs are getting stuck in my brain. But, you know, I gotta join the crowd, I guess. So, but thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. And I will see you really soon. Watching?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, you're bored.
But we're done. We're done with this video. We're done. The like button.
4, 3, 2.
So, bye.